What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Pat. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to take your WordPress website and translate it into any language that you guys want in under 10 minutes. I'm going to be looking at one of my favorite plugins that makes it super easy and super simple for anybody to be able to translate your entire website into any language you want, whether it's Spanish, French, Portuguese, the list goes on. You guys get it. So, first of all, why would you want to translate your WordPress website into multiple languages? Well, for an example, I live in Texas and I have a service-based company as a client. As you guys probably already know, Texas is filled with many Spanish-speaking residents like myself, so it only makes sense to translate our entire website and create every page in Spanish to be able to target and get more traffic and more leads to those Spanish-speaking residents. And as soon as I implemented this strategy on my client's website, we started ranking for these Spanish pages for some of our targeted keywords in under 2 weeks, which is crazy, with only doing some simple optimization. And by the way, guys, in this video, I'm only going to teach you how to actually translate it, but in the part 2, I'm going to teach you guys how to take these pages translated and actually optimize them to get them to rank. So give me a like if you'd want to see that. So how was I able to rank so quickly in Spanish in my city of Dallas, Texas? Well, it's simple. Not many people are doing this. Not many business owners know how to do this simple strategy. And that's why smart SEOs like you are going to be able to take this strategy and go and charge your clients more or find potential new clients and offer this service to them. Enough talking, let's get right into it. Alright guys, so we're in the back end of my WordPress account, as you guys can see. And first step is to go and download the plugin that's actually going to take care of all the translation for us. Very easy, very simple to use. So you're going to go down to the left hand side and go to plugins, go to add new, and then you're going to go over to the search bar and type in Polylang. And this should bring it right up. And here we go. It is the green box with the parrot looking thing in the middle. And if you don't have it installed, go ahead and click install now and then press activate. So you guys can see I already have it. And once you have it activated, go back down to the left hand side and go to languages and languages again. This is going to take you to the actual page where you can add the languages that you're going to want to translate in. So you guys can see my default language is English, and then I have Espanol, I have Spanish as my second one. And to add a new language is very simple. Go down to choose a language, and there's many to choose from. For this example, I'm just going to go ahead and click French. And it fills up all this information for us, so I would just leave it as it is. So you guys can see France, and it has a little flag. Order, I would leave that alone unless you want to change the order of which your languages appear in. Go to add new language. And there we go. It has just added French as our third language. And before you can actually translate your pages into a new language, you're going to want to go ahead and go to Lingual. Lingual is just the service that is provided by the plugin that actually takes care of all the translation for you. So just go ahead and make an account. It's free, super easy to sign up, and it's super worth it. It's going to make your life so much easier. So once you have registered with Lingual, you can go ahead and go to either your pages or posts. I'm going to go ahead and go to all posts. And then you're just going to find the one that you want to translate. If you haven't translated any, then you would just go ahead and go one by one, choosing the ones you want to translate. As you guys can see, the 3 languages appear at the top. And the page I want to translate is what is holistic medicine. So first you go to your default language. For me, it's English. Then you're going to press upload now. And once you let it update, it should give you this check mark. And then you can just go ahead and click the language you want to translate it to. I'm going to press this, which will request the translation for us. And then, as you can see, ready to download. Let's click on that. And just let it load. And there you have it. As you can see, it had just translated what is holistic medicine to ¿Qué es la medicina holística?, which is the correct translation. And also, it would also translate everything that you have written on the actual page. But this is just an example, so I just made this up. But as you guys can see, it is translated. I will show you, for example, this blog post that I made a while back, just so you guys can see what it would actually look like if there was actual content on the page. And there you go. As you guys can see, it translated my entire blog post from English into Spanish. So, and you can use this with any language you want. I just use Spanish because that is a pretty popular, it's a pretty popular language in my area. So if it's in yours, if it's popular in your area, you can do the same. If not, feel free to choose any other language. Alright guys, well there you have it. You now know how to translate your WordPress in under 10 minutes. Like I said before, give me a like if you would want to see the actual optimizations that I did in order to get my clients' pages in Spanish to rank in the Dallas, Texas area. See you in the next one.